So the next exercise, we are going to fill in the blanks not just with demonstrative but with set, the demonstrative, or with the articles. So here we are going to decide whether we need to fill in a demonstrative adjective or an article. So for this we need to understand the context of that sentence. So let us begin. The first, it's a question, okay? To our view, you have seen dash spectacular. So now in this case they are asking about some particular spectacular. So this, you have seen this spectacular. Now you need to see for the noun whether it is masculine or feminine. So this noun is in the masculine singular form. So we write sir, because in this sentence we need a demonstrative adjective. They are asking about something in particular. Tu as vu ce spectacle? Oui, c'est dash spectacle magnifique. So now they are saying yes, it is a magnifique spectacle. So here we need to use an article. So again, now this is masculine singular, so we use a. So did you understand? Tu as vu ce spectacle? You have seen this spectacle? Oui, c'est un spectacle magnifique. Yes, it is a magnifique spectacle. So this is how we write the articles and the demonstrative. We need to understand the context of that particular question or that sentence to fill in the respective article or demonstrative. The next sentence, tu connais, you know, dash nom de dash artiste américain. So here we need, do you know the name of this American artist? So that is how we are going to fill in. So here we need to fill in the article. So we take a look at the noun. It is masculine singular, so we put le nom, the name of dash artiste américain. Now the noun here is artist. It is feminine singular. So which of the demonstrative will be filled in here? It is cette, the cet artiste américain. So the answer for that, oui, c'est dash chanteuse de jazz. So she is a singer of jazz, a jazz singer. So an article should be placed here. Now take a look at the noun. It is feminine singular, so we use you. Oui, c'est une chanteuse de jazz. So once again, read this question and answer along with me. Tu as vu ce spectacle? Oui, c'est un spectacle magnifique. Tu connais le nom de cet artiste américain? Oui, c'est une chanteuse de jazz. So now we will try to do some more sentences in this exercise. So the next sentence, tu aimes dash écrivain? Now we have to look at the noun. It is masculine singular, but it begins with a vowel. So you like this writer? So it begins with a vowel. So which demonstrative we use? We use cet. Tu aimes cet écrivain? C'est dash author. So now we are being specific. It is the author of a particular novel. So the noun here is, it begins with a vowel. So we write the definite article L apostrophe. C'est l'auteur. So this is how we write the demonstrative and the articles. Now the next sentence, tu comprends das expression? You understand this expression, dash expression. So now take the noun. It is feminine singular. So you write cette. Cette expression. Tu comprends cette expression? C'est dash expression difficile. So now here it is clear we need to use an article, an indefinite article, and since we know the noun is feminine singular, we use une. So once again, read these sentences along with me. Tu aimes cet écrivain? C'est l'auteur du château de ma mère. Tu comprends cette expression? C'est une expression difficile. So now we know how to write the articles and the demonstrative, and we know how to fill them in sentences depending upon that particular context. So the demonstratives are ce, cet, cette and c'est, and the articles, indefinite articles are une, they, definite articles le, la and les.